What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in for another video. Since I'm doing stuff, I might as well record it. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the lower radiator tube. You saw me do the top one last video. We'll wire in the injectors and we'll wire up the new ignition coil pack plugs. Maybe take apart the turbo, install a turbo blanket. Little things like that. Like I said, it won't be very long probably, but we'll see how it goes. We gotta work on the bottom one. The water neck relocation. We'll go in like so. Trying to get you guys in here. That's how it'll sit. So now we need to connect this guy to this guy. I think I have like 290s and a bunch of straight left, so I should be able to get it. Let's see what we can do. Guys, so a few hours have passed. I have finally accomplished what I wanted to. So you see, connects up here. Let me get some light. Connects right up here to the relocated thermostat housing, straight down under the alternator. Turn into the radiator. Beautiful. It's what I wanted. Weld it up and we'll be done with the bottom. I think I didn't put the O-ring on the oil filter housing where the oil filter goes. I don't think I put the gasket on there, and I want to take this all off to double check. It's hard to get from underneath, so I've been taking this off. I have to wire in all the injectors anyways. Okay, so I got the intake manifold off. This guy, I remembered I didn't put a bolt in it. In this little bracket. Here's the oil filter housing. The oil filter usually goes here, but I have the relocation kit. This O-ring right here goes right here. And that's just like I thought. I forgot to put it on. So that would have been bad. Also got to put my turbo drain back on. Got her installed, finally. After like 20 minutes, took it all apart and then I put it all back together. But it's on. We'll go ahead and hook up the oil line. One thing I did off camera, I might paint this, but I made a little bracket. So it goes right there nice and sturdy with my AN lines. I put one of them rubber hose clamps right there. Put one right there, and I also put one right there. Just so they don't move around. I'm gonna do it with my fuel line because my fuel line has to come off here and go underneath the throttle body and come out next to this line. So I'll probably throw another clamp somewhere and do that. I think it looks clean. It cleans everything up. Same with this line down here. There's a hole, see where that bolt is? I'm gonna put another clamp there so it holds this guy. So it's all like buttoned up a little bit better instead of just hanging around. All right guys, thanks for watching. This video was kind of short, not too long. I appreciate it a lot. Stay tuned for next video. We're gonna be powder coating everything, powder coating more stuff. I think I jumped the gun a little bit, powder coating all that stuff in my very first few videos because everything gets scratched up. We'll go ahead and powder coat the intercooler piping, the radiator hard pipes, the turbo inlet, or the turbo compressor housing. All my clamps I'm using for the couplers, painting all those black. I think that'll probably be the entire video, but stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.